This property on Evergreen Place in Prue, Oklahoma, offers a tranquil retreat in the Oakridge Est subdivision. With 0.22 acres of space, it's perfect for building your dream home or getaway. Situated near Keystone Lake, it's ideal for water enthusiasts with easy access to activities and a nearby boat ramp. Just 30 minutes from Sand Springs and a 35-minute drive to downtown Tulsa, it combines peaceful living with urban convenience. Ideal for those looking for a serene residential spot near city amenities. Financing options are available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Osage County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.